Solution of quadratic equation. If we have given the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 and we have to find solution means values of this x. Now we'll take this constant number like this and we have to factorize this plus 6 such that their sum will be middle term, that is coefficient of x, which is minus 5, and their product will be last term, that is plus 6. This method is applicable to only these equations where the coefficient of x square will be 1. Now, plus 6 will be factorized into two factors such that first one is 6 and 1. 6 and 1. If we will take this plus 6 and minus 1, 6 minus 1 will be plus 5. But here we have minus 1. And their product will be minus 6. So this partition will not possible. Then we'll take second, that is 3 and 2. 3 and 2. If we'll take plus 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is plus 1. So it will be not possible. Then we'll take this minus 3 and minus 2. Minus 3 minus 2, their sum will be minus 5 and minus 3 into minus 2, that is their product will be plus 6. Therefore, these are two numbers of this equation. So, we'll write this as x minus 3, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then, if this whole equation equal to 0 means what? Either this factor, that is first factor, is equal to 0 or second factor, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of x. This minus 3 becomes plus 3 on other side, therefore x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2. How we can cross check this equation, it's this answer. Okay, so for cross check, put these values in given equation. I will show this equation. 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 square means 9 minus 15 plus 6. You can calculate this. This is equal to 0. Therefore, this value is correct.